Hey guys, it's Andy Meyer from Airplane Collectibles here, and this is a airplane watching spot. This is a little bike path down here, and that right there is Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. This is probably the biggest airport in the state of Arizona, and this is a good one too. Let me turn the camera around. There you go. There's some Southwests over there, and I think there's a Southwest taking off just over here. It's just, alright. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there it is. And over there is downtown Phoenix. Watch it carefully. And there he goes. Hey, look, there's a couple Southwest over there. Looks like it's just pulling out. Probably be able to see that one take off later. This is a pretty good spot. Oh, we got a Delta right here. Delta A321. Looks like there's a, over there is a 757 Delta, and over there is also a Delta 767-400. My dad has been wanting to see that take off. He'll probably get videos for his channel, so after this video's done, be sure to check out True City Traveling. He's got a good channel too. And I hope you enjoy this video after it's over. You just see him taxiing down there. There. I love the sky out here. It's just so beautiful. Let me zoom out for a second. It's beautiful out here. Mountains, sun. Beautiful sun, downtown Phoenix over there, mountains. You cannot go wrong with this. And guys, just to have a little fact here, I am gonna come back to Phoenix someday. I just don't know when. Maybe this summer, maybe some other time. But when I do come back, I'll be sure to get another one of these videos here at this airplane watching spot. I'll tell you what it is in just a second, so if you ever want to see airplanes here in Phoenix, you might be able to come here. One thing is for sure, if you like airplanes like I do and want to see some beautiful views, definitely consider this place. You will not regret it. Not one little bit. There's a control tower over there. It's a parking garage. There's another big parking garage over there. There's a little train over there. Yep, that train is very useful. Say you're at a very big airport like this one, and you need to get to another terminal, then you get on that unmanned train. And that's pretty good. It's so much better than walking like a couple miles. I mean, it's good to walk every now and then, but if you don't have very much time, then you could just take that, which I find very useful. It seems that 757 that I thought was going to take off just parked, so I guess it was landing. It looks like that Southwest might take off. He's way down there. He's far down there, I can't get a super good shot at him. But he'll come back. Well, he'll come down this way so I can see you. Looks like he's rolling right now, so. Yep, see him rolling. Here he comes. Let me get a good shot at him. And there he goes. There's another light down there. Looks like something else might be rolling. I think. Looks like it. Sorry the footage is shaky. I'm just trying to stay as still as I can, but I could definitely see something moving down there. I think it's an American. Yeah. Looks like an American. It's coming closer, so. Yep. Looks like an American. And it is an American. It looks like an American Airlines A321. Come on, stay focused. There we go. And there we go. American Airlines. It's a Delta 737 rolling over there. I don't know if he's gonna take off or is he parking. Well, he's turning. I don't know if he'll take off or something, but if he is taking off, I'm sure we'll be able to get him. So far, I got Southwest Airlines taking off and American Airlines taking off here in Phoenix. Let me just show you this area around this airplane watching spot. So despite this bike path, you got some benches over there. There's my parents over there. Got benches and a small cactus. But these cacti are very common here in Arizona. Yep. Anyway, yeah. And this is pretty much most of the area around. There's a little stream down there. Yep. Down there, there's a stream. Yeah, it goes way down there. This is a pretty good spot. You can see there's some bushes over there. And one thing other, guys, when I came here last time, well, the first time I came here, I saw a rabbit actually go. I think he was in those bushes and then he ran down there, like right over there. I think that's where that's where he stopped, and I got a couple pictures of him. Yeah. So, and that rabbit was actually, I know what that rabbit was called. It was called a desert cottontail. And those are common around here. They're just very fast, though. Yeah. I haven't really seen one since first time I came here. So, I don't know if there's another one around here. But they say if there's at least one, there's most likely two. I also believe that there could be a roadrunner around here. Those are also common. And there's also, there could also be a gray fox around here. Gray foxes are also common around here. And of course there's birds like that dove down there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a dove down there. Yeah, there's a dove down there. Plus there's also pigeons. Yeah. Anyway, it's a really cool looking spot. It's a Southwest roll moving over there. I think that Southwest might be taking off. And there's another one rolling. Well, moving. Wonder if he'll take off too. We try to get them both in frame. There we go. It's another American. Like that's a CRJ 700 or a CRJ 900. Oh, right there. I think he might be taking off, but he also might be parking. We'll find out later. And while we wait for those to take off, I'm just gonna show you a little bit more. You can see those big rocks over there. You can actually go close to those and actually get pictures of them. Someday maybe I'll have to do that. Anyway, there's some mountains in the distance. Oh wait. So that Delta 737 was taking off. Well, here we go. Delta 737-800 taking off. There's a little good shot of downtown Phoenix. And if you look, if I zoom out, right there, I think is the field where the Arizona Diamondbacks are. That's where they play baseball. So with that big field right there, big stadium-like thing, I think that's where the Arizona Diamondbacks are based. That's a baseball team from the NLB. There we have another Southwest rolling. Well, I don't know if he's taking off. He might be parking. I think we also got one pushing back right in front of it. I'll stay on it for just a couple more seconds. And more seconds. Yeah. I think there's some military F-15s over there. Those are cool. I've actually seen one of those fly before. Pretty noisy, but pretty cool at the same time. Yeah. Some pigeons over there. Yeah. Yeah, some pigeons right over there. Yeah. Here we got Southwest taking off. Southwest 737-700 taking off. And there it goes. Oh, and here's another one. Another Southwest. I'll probably get one more takeoff after this one on camera, and then I'll let you know, and then maybe I'll cut the video. Well, get it. Yep, I'll do one more takeoff after this one. Another Southwest 737-700. I don't see any others taking off. What the? Look over there. That is the Southwest Airlines Colorado 1. It's in the Colorado 1 livery. Holy mackerel. Didn't see that there until just now. Look at it. That is a Southwest 737-700 in the Colorado livery. It's in the Colorado 1 livery. That's what it's called. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is I'll say it one more time. That is a Southwest 737-700 in the Colorado 1 livery. It's beautiful. Maybe someday I'll do a video with all the special Southwests. I'm sure you've heard of the Arizona one, and also the Nevada one, and the California one. I have an American Airlines CRJ taking off. I think that's a CRJ 700. Looks like one. And there he goes. And there's the Southwest Airlines Colorado 1. It's beautiful. Well guys, I hope I'm gonna give you a little outro here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you dislike it, leave a dislike. But if you really enjoyed, subscribe. And be sure to check out Trizity Traveling. He's got a good channel too. But anyway, guys, I want you guys to have a great day or night wherever you are, and stay safe.